must not duplicate the name of an other object owned by the same user, must not be an Oracle server reserved word. Data type subscribed, desubscribed, VARCHAR2, used for character data of variable length, including number, dashes, and special characters, CHAR, used for text and character data of fixed length, including numbers, dashes, and special characters. Numbers used to store variable length, numeric data, no dashes, text, or other non-numeric data are allowed. Currency is stored as a number data type. Date used for date and time values. Internally, Oracle store dates as number and by default, date information is displayed at day, month, year. For example, 22 October 200 2013. Database programming with SQL 13.3. Modifying a table. Alter table. Alter table statements are used to add a new column, modify an existing column, define a default value for a column, drop a column. You can add or modify a column in a table, but you cannot specify where the column appears. Alter table adding a column. To add a new column, use the SQL syntax shown. Alter table modifying a column. Modifying a column can include changes to a column data type, size, and default value. Rules and restrictions when modifying a column are: you can increase the width and precision of a numeric column. You can increase the width of vector column. You can decrease the width of number column if the column contains only null values or if the table has no rows. For VARCHR types, you can decrease the width down to the largest value contained in the column. Alter table modifying a column. You can change data type only if the column contains null values. You can convert a CHAR column to VARCHAR2 or convert a VARCHAR2 column to CHAR only if the column contains null values or if you do not change the size to something smaller than any value in the column. A change to the default value of a column common affect only later insertion to the table. Alter table modifying a column example. Example: a table has been created with two columns. Which of these modifications will be allowed and which do not? Consider your answer both with and without rows of data in the table. Alter table modifying a column example would be permitted only if column were empty or the largest name was 10 or less characters. Would be permitted with or without data as column width increased. Alter table modifying a column example would be permitted or with or without data as column precision increased. Would be permitted with or without data as only a default value.